Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Let us solve the last exercise of the topic area and perimeter of plane figures, exercise 20D. All questions are going to be solved here. So children, if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with the first question. The perimeter of a triangle is given to you as 450 centimeter and its sides are in the ratio 12 is to 5 is to 13. Find the area of a triangle. Now, 12, 5, 13, we know that it is a Pythagorean triplet. So, it is a Pythagorean triplet. So, the sides of this triangle, let us take the sides of a triangle as 12x, 5x and 13x. So, this is going to be a right triangle. So, this is your 5x, this is your 12x and the largest is the hypotenuse which is 13x. So, we got the sides. Now we are given the perimeter is 450. So sum of all sides, that is 5x plus 12x plus 13x is equal to 450. 5 plus 12, 17. 17 plus 13 is 30x is equal to 450. So x is equal to 450 divided by 30, which is 15. So we got the value of x as 15. Now let us find the sides. So we have 5 times 15. So this is 5x is 5 times 15, which is 75 centimeter. So 12x is going to be 12 times 15. 12 times 15, which is 180. So this becomes 180 centimeter. And the 13x, that is 13 times 15, we get this as 195. So since 12, 5 and 13 is a Pythagorean triplet, the multiples of that are also always a Pythagorean triplet, remember that. So since it is a right triangle, since this is a right triangle, this is a right triangle. So we have area of the triangle, area of this triangle is equal to half base into height. So base here is 75 and the height is this. So perpendicular sides, so which is 180. So 180 divided by 2, you get 90. And 75 times 90, let us multiply. So you just do 75 into 9 and you get this as 675 and add one zero. So 6750 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. A triangle and a parallelogram have same base and same area. So remember, same area. So if the sides of the triangle are given 26, 28 and 30 and the parallelogram stands on the base 28, find the height of a parallelogram. So let us find first for a triangle. So for triangle, let us find the semi-perimeter. So S is equal to 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. So 8 plus 6, 14. Carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 84 divided by 2, which is 42 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. So let us find area of triangle. So area of a triangle is same as area of a parallelogram. So we use the Heron's formula here. S bracket S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides. So we have a root of 42 minus the side which is 26 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 30. So which we get it as square root of 42 into 42 minus 26. 12 minus 6 is 6 and you get 16 and 42 minus 28 is 14 and into 42 minus 30 is 12. So let us split this to have, pairs inside. So 42 can be written as 6 times 7. 16 can be written as 4 times 4. 14 can be written as 7 times 2. And 12 can be written as 6 times 2. So now when this out of these 2, 6, 1, 6 comes out, out of these two, 7, 1, 7 comes out when it comes out of the root. Out of this pair of 4, 1, 4 comes out. And out of the pair of 2, 1, 2 comes out. So we have 6 sevens are 42. 42 into 8. 4 2 is 8. 42 into 8, we get this as 336 centimeter square is the area of the triangle, and this is also the area of parallelogram because both of them have the same area. So now area of a parallelogram, we know it is a base into height, which is base into height. So where the base is given as 28. So we have 28 into h is equal to 336. We are asked to find the height of a parallelogram. So h is equal to 336 divided by 28. So let us divide 336 by 28. You have 28 ones are 28. 13 minus 8 is 5. 28 twos are 56. So this is how you get height as 12 centimeter. Using the information in the following figure, find its area. So what we will drop a perpendicular from C. So when we drop a perpendicular, you get a rectangle wherein opposite sides are equal. Let us take this as CE. So CE is 9 meter and AE is 23. So let us find BE by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we get BE is equal to square root of 15 square, hypotenuse square minus 9 square, which is root of 225 minus 81, which is root of 144, which is 12 meter. You got this BE. Okay, so you got this BE as 12 meters. So therefore, you get AB is equal to 23 plus 12, which is 3 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 1, 3. 35 meter is the parallel side. This is AB, which is parallel to DC. Now let us find area of trapezium. So area of trapezium, we know it is half H in bracket sum of parallel sides. So which is DC plus AB. And the height is this 9 meter. So let us put that. So half into height is 9 into sum of parallel sides, which is 23 plus 35. So which is half times 9. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is 58. 58 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 nines are 18. 29. And 29 times 9, you get 9 nines are 81. 8, 9 twos are 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8, you get 26. So this is how the area of a trapezium is 261 meter square. Sum of the areas of two squares is given as 400 centimeter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 16, find the sides of two squares. So let us take two squares and let us take the side of the square as A, and let us take another square where the side of a square is B. Now what is given to you? That the sum of the areas of two squares. That is, you are given A square plus B square. The side square is the area of the square. So A square plus B square is 400 centimeter square. And the difference of their perimeters. So perimeter of the first square is going to be 4A minus perimeter of the second square is 4B is equal to 16. So taking 4 common, you get A minus dividing throughout by 4. You get A minus B is equal to 4. Now let us do the square of that. So you have A minus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Put the values. A minus B is 4. So 4 square is equal to A square plus B square is 400 minus 2AB. So you get 2AB is equal to 400 minus 4 square, which is 16, which we get it as 384. So AB is equal to 384 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 twos are 4. So you get AB is equal to 192. So you can have A is equal to 192 divided by B. Okay. Now if A is equal to 192 divided by B, let us use this equation. This was your equation 1 and this is 2. Let us use equation 2. So you have 192 upon B minus B is equal to 4. So 192 minus B square upon B is equal to 4. So we get 192 minus B square is equal to 4B. So if we get an quadratic equation here, like this B square goes here. So B square, then this is plus 4B minus 192 is equal to 0. Let us factorize this. So we have 16 times 12 is equal to 192 and 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So the bigger one will take the positive sign. So we get b square plus 16b minus 12b minus 192 is equal to 0. Or simply directly you can factorize that you get b plus 16 into b minus 12 are your factors. So if b is plus 16 is equal to 0, you get b is equal to minus 16 or you get b is equal to 12. So we cannot have the side as negative. So we have, if we have b is equal to 12, so we substitute this in equation number 2, putting the value of b is equal to 12 in equation number 2, you get a, you have a minus 12 is equal to 4. So you get a is equal to 4 plus 12, which is 16. So this is how you get the sides as 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter are the sides of two squares. Got it? Find the area and the perimeter of a square with diagonal 24 centimeter. So let us have a square and the diagonal of a square is given as 24 centimeter. So this is given as 24 centimeter. Let us take the sides to be x and x. Now you are asked to find the area. So area of a square is equal to x square, and let us use the Pythagoras theorem for this, since it is a right triangle and this is the diagonal. So we have by Pythagoras theorem, we have x square plus x square is equal to 24 square. X square plus x square is 2x square is equal to 24 times 24. So you get x square is equal to 24 into 24 divided by 2. 2 12s are. So multiply, you have 12 times 24. Do the multiplication of 24 and 12. You get this as 288 centimeter square is the area. So 288 centimeter square is the area. Now to find the perimeter, we need to find the sides. So we have x is equal to root of 288. Let us do the prime factorization of 288. Dividing by 2, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are. 72 divided by 2 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So 18 divided by 2 is 9 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So when it comes out of the root, you can see the pairs. So x is equal to 2 times 3 and this 1 will remain in the root, under the root. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this is 12 root 2 is the side of a square. 12 root 2 centimeter is the side of a square. So now let us find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 4 times side. So 4 times 12 root 2. So 4 12s are, it is 48 root 2. Now we are asked to take the root 2 value as 1.41. So 48 multiplied by 1.41. Let us do 1, you get by 1 when you multiply, you get 48. 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19. Again, multiplying by 1, you get 8 and this is 4. So 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, 9 plus 8, 17, carry 1, 6. It is 67.8. So 67.68 centimeter is the perimeter of the given square, where the diagonal was given as 24 centimeter. A steel wire is bent in the form of a square, encloses an area. So for area of a square is given as 121 centimeter square. The same wire is bent in the form of a circle. So that means the perimeter of a square is same as perimeter of a circle, and you are asked to find the area of a circle. Let us take the sides as of the square as x and x. So we have, since the area is given, so we have x square is equal to 121. So x is equal to root of 121, which is 11 centimeter is the side. So the perimeter of a square, so perimeter of square is equal to circumference of circle, because the same wire is being built. It is equal to circumference of a circle. So we have 2 pi r. Let us take the radius of the circle as r is equal to perimeter of a square, which is 4 times side, which is 4 times 11. So we have 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 4 times 11. So keep r here, 4 times 11. This 7 goes up upon 2 into 22. 11 2s are 22, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again, 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So you get the radius of a circle as 7 centimeter. Now you are asked to find the area of a circle. So you have area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 22 times 7. 7 twos are 14, carry 1. 7 twos are 14 plus 1, 15. 154 centimeter square is the area of the circle. The perimeter of a semicircular plate is given as 108. So the perimeter is 108. How is the perimeter? It is 2 pi r upon 2 plus the diameter, that is 2r, is equal to the perimeter given, which is 108. So this is pi r plus 2r. Pi is 22 by 7 into r plus 2r is equal to 108. So 22r, let us take the LCM. So you'll have to multiply by 7. 7 twos are 14. So plus 14r upon 7 is equal to 108. 22 plus 14, 4 plus 2, 6. You get 36r upon 7 is equal to 108. So you get r is equal to 108 into 7 by 36. 36, 6 threes are 18. 36 threes are 108. 7 threes are 21 centimeter is the radius that you got. Radius of a circle. Now you are asked to find its area. So you have area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square divided by 2. So which is 22 by 7 into radius is 21. So into 21 divided by 2. So you have 7 3s are 21. So you have 22 into 3 into 21 divided by 2. 2 11s are 11 times 3 is 33 and 33 into 21. So 21 into 33. So you get 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 3, 6 plus 3, 9. You get 693. 693 centimeter square. 693 centimeter square is the area of this semicircle. Got it? Question number 8. Two circles touch externally. We have solved these questions. Many such questions came in the previous exercise also. The sum of the areas is given as 130 pi square centimeter and the distance between their centers is 14. So if I take this as r, radius of smaller circle as r, the radius of the bigger circle becomes 14 minus r, because this distance between their centers, let us take the center as A and the center as B, is given as 14. Now you are given the sum of the areas. So pi r square is the area of the small circle plus pi 14 minus r the whole square is the area of this circle is equal to 130 pi square centimeter. Let us take pi common. You have r square plus expand this. So 14 minus r square is 196 minus 14 twos are 28r plus r square is equal to 130 pi. Pi will be divided by pi. So r square plus r square is 2r square minus 28r plus 196 minus 130 is equal to 0. 196 minus 130. So you get 2r square minus 28r. 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1, 0. So plus 66 is equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2, you get r square. 28 divided by 2 is 14r plus 33 is equal to 0. Now you have 11 times 3 is equal to 33. So the factors are, so you have minus 11 times minus 3 is 33. So and minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14. So the factors are r minus 11 and r minus 3 is equal to 0. So you get r is equal to 11 or r is equal to 3, and we know that the sum of these two is 14. So let us take the radius of the bigger one as 11 and the radius of the smaller one as 3. So this is how the radius of the bigger one. So is at 11 centimeter. The radii are 11 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Got it? Question number 9. The diameters of the front and rear wheels of a tractor are 63 centimeter and 154. So let us take D1 is equal to 63 centimeter and D2 is equal to 1.54 meter is 154 centimeter. So rear wheel. Now rear wheel is a back wheel, which is the bigger one, and the front wheel is the smaller one. That remember. So rear wheel and the front wheel. Now it says that the wheel is rotating 24 6 by 11 6 upon 11 revolutions per minute. So you have 24 6 upon 11 is 11 times 24 times 11. 24 times 11 is you get 264. 264 plus 6 is 270. So you get 270 upon 11 revolutions per minute. You are asked to find the revolutions per minute made by the front wheel. Now, revolutions made per minute by the front wheel. Now, we are given about the rear wheel. Rear wheel is rotating at these many revolutions per minute. So, let us find the distance covered by the rear wheel in one revolution is nothing but the circumference of that circle. So distance covered by rear wheel in one revolution is equal to pi d. So pi d, that is 22 by 7 into diameter is 154 for the second wheel. The diameter is 154. So 7 2s are 14 and again 7 2s are, and 22 square is 484 centimeter is the distance covered by the rear wheel in one revolution. The rear wheel is rotating 24 6 by 11 revolutions per minute. So let us find the distance covered in these many revolutions, okay, which is 270 by this. So distance covered by rear wheel in 270 by 11 revolutions is equal to 484 into 270 by 11. So 11, when I divide 484 by 11, 11 fours are, and again 44. So let us take this as 44 into 270 centimeter is the distance covered by the rear wheel in 24 6 by 11 or 270 by 11 revolutions. Now you are asked to find the number of revolutions made by the front wheel. So number of revolutions made by, we know that the number of revolutions is equal to distance divided by circumference. Number of revolutions is distance divided by the circumference. So let us do the first part now. The number of revolutions made by front wheel is equal to the distance, which is 44 into 270 divided by the circumference. The circumference is pi d, which is 22 by 7, and the diameter of the smaller one is 63 centimeter. So 7 ones are and 7 nines are 63. So this is 44 into 270 divided by 22 into 9. 22 twos are 44. 9 30s are 2 times 30. It is 60 revolutions. So 60 revolutions are made by the front wheel, okay, per minute made by the front wheel. Now we are asked to find out the distance traveled by the tractor in 40 minutes. Now we know that the distance traveled in 1 minute is found out as 44 into 270. So the distance traveled by the tractor in 40 minutes. So distance, the second part, distance traveled by the tractor in 40 minutes. In 40 minutes is equal to 40 multiplied by the distance traveled in 1 minute, which was 44. This one, which was 44 into 270. This is centimeter. So to convert into meter, we will divide by 100. So dividing by 100, we get this as 4 times 44 multiplied by 27. Find the product of this. 4 times 44 multiplied by 27. So 4 into 44 multiplied is 176. 176 multiplied by 27, we get 4752 meter is the distance covered. If I have to convert into kilometer, dividing by 1000, we get 4.752 kilometer is the distance traveled by the tractor in 40 minutes. Got it? So let us take this as R, and then this becomes 12 minus R. We are asked to find the diameters. Earlier question, it was radius. So we have the sum of the areas, that is pi R square plus pi into 12 minus R the whole square is equal to 74 pi centimeter square. Taking pi common, we have R square plus expand this. This pi has gone. 12 square is 144 minus 2ab. 2 times 12 is 24r plus b square. That is r square is equal to 74 pi. This pi got cancelled. R square plus r square is 2r square minus 24r plus 144 minus 74. This 74 goes here is equal to 0. So we have 2r square minus 24r, 144 minus 74. 4 minus 4 is 0. 14 minus 7 is 7. So plus 70 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2 throughout, we get r square. 24 divided by 2 is 12r plus 35 is equal to 0. Factors of 35 which will add up to 12. So we have 7 5s are 35. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. And minus 7 into minus 5 is positive 35. So the factors are r minus 7 into r minus 5 is equal to 0. So you get r is equal to 7 or r is equal to 5. So if I have to find, let this be R1, let this be, let us take this as R1 and this is my R2. So this is my R1. Since I have found the R, this is my R1 and this is my R2. So you have diameter of the bigger circle is twice R1, which is 14 centimeter. And the diameter of the smaller one, which is twice of 5, which is 10 centimeter. And we are done with question number 10. The last question and the easy question of this exercise, if a square is inscribed in a circle, so there is a circle and there is a square inscribed in it, find the ratio of the areas of a circle and a square. So we know that the diagonal of a square is going to be the diameter of the circle. So if I take this as x and x, the side as x and x, then the diagonal is root 2 times x. So it is x root 2 is the diagonal. So x root 2 is the diagonal. So now you are asked to find the ratio of area of circle and the square. So we have area of circle divided by area of a square is what we have to find out. So area of circle divided by area of square, which is required. That is the ratio we have to find. So area of circle is going to be pi r square. R is going to be x root 2 upon 2 because this is the diameter and the square of that divided by area of a square is x square. So pi is 22 by 7. The square of x is x square. Root 2 square is 2. 2 square is 4 divided by x square. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So you get 22x square upon 7 into 1 upon x square. X square got and upon 2 is also was there here. This x square got cancelled. 2 ones are and 2 11s are 11 upon 7. So the required ratio is 11:7. So the ratio of the areas of circle is to square is 11:7. So children, if you understood and if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.